White label products offer IoT solution providers numerous advantages. Here's how and why. The Internet of Things makes it possible for you to make private homes more intelligent, monitor and control energy consumption remotely, help elderly people live a safe life at home, monitor buildings to increase property and occupant security, and we'll bet that you can come up with many more great ideas for IoT solutions. The question is then, how do you go from having an idea to actually launching a solution? The first option is to start from scratch and develop both the software and the hardware yourself. This approach might seem appealing as you can tailor the solution according to your specific needs. Well, the truth is that you will most likely spend years and years on developing, testing, and certifying the products for your solution. You will certainly also make mistakes which others have already mastered. To avoid the common pitfalls of this approach, another option is to use white label products for your IoT solution. With this option, you buy ready-to-use products. This means that you do not have to spend an extensive amount of time or money on product development. Instead, you can get down to business fast and easy, and, more importantly, you can provide your customers with a complete IoT solution before your competitors. Even though you do not develop the products yourself, you will not be compromising on a tailored solution. To meet the exact needs of your business, Develco Products offers a wide range of white label products, including gateways, sensors, alarms, smart plugs, smart relays, and meter interfaces. You can build an IoT solution using only these products, or you can integrate products from third-party vendors. Since the products come without branding, you can add your brand colors and logo to the packaging. This will allow your customers to associate the products with your business. Working with Develco Products is not only a fast way to get the products for your solution, you will also have reliable products. We have spent more than a decade developing, testing, validating, and certifying the products to save your business the time and capital required to build a complete IoT solution. With white label products, it is easier than ever to tackle the challenges of entering the IoT industry. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started now.